Have you ever saw something in a store and felt it was perfect for your home, but after getting it home, something didn't seem right? Well, that was the case with these lamps. After seeing them in my home, it was obvious that the oil rubbed bronze was not going to work. So I headed to Hobby Lobby and picked up some metallic paint. I picked up metallic taupe and champagne gold, but I used the taupe because it blended a lot better with the mercury glass. I really liked the way they turned out, and I complimented them with the two vases that I shared with you in a recent haul. I added some flowers to the taller vase for a softer look, and then I added a candle holder that I painted in the champagne gold that I got from Hobby Lobby. So recently, I had a viewer ask if I would share how to decorate with high and low end decor. So when I shop, I don't necessarily seek high or low end furnishings. I think that's a term that the younger generation is more focused on. My focus is, do I like it and will it fit into my home decor? Now, as a tip to some of you younger viewers, I would say buy the best that your money can afford. So I decided to share how I shop regular price and Goodwill instead of focusing on high and low end decor. So I'm going to start with the tablescape, and I purchased my placemats from Home Goods. I got the charger from Goodwill, and I added a champagne gold rim for an added decorator detail. I added a simple white plate, and then I added a salad plate from Goodwill. I doubled my napkins. The light one is from Home Goods, and the gray one, no, I'm sorry, the light one is from Goodwill, and the gray one is from Home Goods. And then I placed the fork and the knife from Walmart in a thrifted napkin ring. Okay, so here at my desk, I purchased this beautiful mirrored desk from JCPenney's, and I shared that in a haul, and it was at a very good discount. And then I found a Goodwill mirror, and I transformed it to complement the desk. The chair also came from JCPenney's. And this picture I did a DIY, and the vase and the stand was purchased from a home decor store, and I got it at a garage sale that they were having. Also, the decor on the desk was purchased from Home Goods and Goodwill. So this is my high and low dining room, and I will let you guys take a closer look around before I end this video. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the dining room and some of my decorating tips and ideas. So if you are new here and you enjoyed this video, would you please consider subscribing? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.